Have you ever wondered how your TV remote can control devices without touching them? What if I told you that with just a TV remote, an IR receiver, a transistor, and an LED, you can create a simple wireless control circuit at home? Let's discover the science behind it. Components needed. 3.7 volts battery, powers the circuit. IR receiver, detects infrared signals from the TV remote. BC557 transistor, a PNP transistor used as an electronic switch amplifier. LED, the load that turns on when the remote signal is received. How it works. 1. TV remote sends infrared pulses. When you press a button on the remote, its IR LED emits a series of infrared pulses, typically around 38 kHz. 2. IR receiver detects the pulses. The IR receiver converts the incoming infrared light into an electrical signal. Its output changes state whenever it receives the correct IR pulses. 3. BC557 transistor acts as a switch. In the diagram, the emitter, E, of the BC557 is connected to the battery positive. The base, B, is controlled by the IR receiver output. When the IR receiver pulls the base voltage lower than the emitter voltage, the BC557 turns on. 4. Current flows through the LED. Once the transistor turns on, current can flow from the battery through the transistor and LED. The LED lights up. 5. When no IR signal is present, the transistor remains off. No current flows through the LED, so it stays off. Important note: the circuit shown in the video is a simplified demonstration. In a practical circuit, a current-limiting resistor should be placed in series with the LED. The IR receiver usually requires proper power connections and sometimes additional components for reliable operation. So, the basic principle is: TV remote right pointing arrow, IR receiver right pointing arrow, BC557 transistor switch right pointing arrow, LED on, off. The IR receiver senses the remote's infrared light, and the BC557 transistor amplifies, switches the small receiver signal so it can control the LED. Thanks for watching and see you soon.